पहले जैसे हो गया तो उधर ही सोना पड़ेगा। उधर ही सोया था साइड पे। हाँ नहीं था, मैं अकेला सोया था। गाड़ी लेके चला गया। नहीं गाड़ी इधर पूरा बंद था ना, ये कल को जाने वाला। इधर फोन करके कोई भी रिसीव नहीं किया। कल सुबह भी गाड़ी नहीं आया, 2 दिन 3 बजे में चल के आया, 1.5 घंटा लगा। वो ड्राइवर को क्या बोल रहा था, उधर जाएगा तो मेरे को जाओगे बोलेगा, मैं इधर ही घुमाऊंगा, रास्ता नहीं है तो इधर ही घुमाऊंगा। ये अच्छा लगा, ये थोड़ा खुला है। ये केमिकल बारिश तो नहीं है ना?
Out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. And I end up alone, I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls ain't polite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you take it slow.
Pump up the baseline. Pump up the
Sirvió.
walk on water cause I'm drowning and you made it. Met you on the corner, first in love, it was payday. Candy colored nails, match the candy coated bands. I needed your contact, my eyes bugging out my head. Cause you hot as shit, nah, I just she African. Not no bottom bitch, top notch out here. Love me like I love myself, love it when she smile at me. White teeth with a heart of gold, and I'ma put a diamond in it. Ring, 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 love calling me. Ring like the camera is free, oh she calling me. Ring, 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 love calling me. Ain't gon' be a man to pick you up, you stay down for me. Eyes closed, arms out, flying. Red Bull, babe, give me wings, pilot. Girl, I love your voice, sound like love calling me. Love call again, and I ain't miss a call yet.
मेरा इधर ही चल सकता है
And I ain't miss a call yet. Love call again, and I ain't miss a call yet. And I ain't miss a call yet. Love call again, and I ain't miss a call yet.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of it.